Open up the piano and let's play Remember Me from the movie Coco. Remember me, though I have to say goodbye. Remember me, don't let it make you cry. This song's in the key of C major, even though there is no white key on the song. However, I have some chords that are like the borrowed chords where I have a A flat, I have a B flat, and then I have a G sharp, A flat, and an E flat coming up later on. There's a total of 8 chords for this song. The first chord we have is our C major. We're going to put our right hand thumb on C, finger 3 on E, finger 5 on G. As for my left hand, I'm going to stretch down 1 octave lower. When I put my thumb over here. Now, this is our C major in the root position. Next chord, we have a F major. We're going to shift this whole cookie cutter shape going up. Okay, this hamburger shape that we're going to have our finger thumb on F, finger 3 on A, finger 5 on C. As for my left hand, I'm going to shift down to finger 5. Now, this is our F major in a root position. Next chord, we have a A minor coming out, and I decided to move it down, and our right hand thumb is 2 steps down from middle C. This is middle C. Move down to B, move down to A, put my thumb over here when our finger 3 is on C, and finger 5 on E. Okay, where my left hand is going to be a finger 3. Now, this is our A minor in the root position. There will be 2 positions in our G major chord. Now, this is the first position, okay, where I decided to shift it up. However, during the middle of the song, okay, I may have a chord before the G chord where I need to move to a lower position. Okay, so wherever high or low, no problem. Just go to wherever that is convenient for you. Next chord, where we have a F minor, where I'm going to shift my thumb up to F, finger 3 on A flat, and finger 5 on C. Our finger 5, my left hand is finger 5, and then this is our F minor chord in the root position. Next chord, we have a B flat major. I'm going to put my thumb on B flat, finger 2 on D, finger 4 on F. Okay, if you would like to keep it to 1, 3, 5, no problem. But personally, I decided to, I prefer a 1, 2, 4. And so my left hand is going to be a B flat, and this is our B flat major in the root position. Next chord, I have a E major, where there is a borrowed chord, a major third, where am I going to put my thumb on E, finger 3 on G sharp, and then finger 5 on B. Okay, so just now we were doing our F minor, where we were using this same black key. Okay, these are called enharmonic equivalent, meaning this is an A flat. Also, this is also a G sharp. Okay, based on the context of the chords. So just now I have an F minor. This is called an A flat. Now I have an E major. This is the context of a G sharp. Okay, just for your own information. And then our finger 5 is on E. Now this is our E major in a root position. And last chord, I have an A flat major. I'm going to shift my whole hand down, finger 1, 2, 4. Okay, if you want to use 1, 3, 5, no problem. I prefer 1, 2, 4. Left hand finger 3 on A flat. Now this is our A flat major in a root position. Here are all the chords you need for this song. Take a moment to pause and practice switching between them until it feels smooth for your playing. If you would like to understand the formula behind major and minor chords, be sure to check out my piano chords video, link below. And if you would like a printable version of this chord sheet, I have prepared it as part of my resources for every of my tutorial on Patreon to take your learning further, so do check it out as well. Before we add any playing patterns, if you are a beginner, I recommend bringing up the chord sheet and just playing each chord once for every change while you sing along with the song. Now this will help you get used to the words and the exact spots where the chords switches. So here's a quick example of how that looks. Remember me, 2, 3, though I have to say goodbye. Remember me, 2, 3, 4, don't let it make you cry. For even if I'm far away, I'll hold you in my heart. I sing a secret song to you each night we are apart. This was just a short example, but you will want to practice this for the entire song and make sure you know exactly where the chord changes happen. I've made the full chord sheet available on my Patreon for download and printing, and I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. So once you're comfortable with the chord changes, you know where to put your fingers, we can start adding the different patterns for this song. The playing pattern for this song for a full bar is going to be a both and right and right and right. However, I have a half bar coming up for F minor, G, B flat, E. For half bar, it's going to be a both and right. That's all. Okay, G, both and right. Okay, so we just basically cut short the divide into two. Alright, let's play verse 1 slowly. Remember, one bar of C, me. Though I half a bar of F minor, have to say good. Half a bar of G going up. By remember, one bar of C, me. Don't half a bar of B flat, let it make you. Half a bar of E major, cry. 4, one bar of A minor, even if I'm far away. I half a bar of B flat, hold you in my. Half a bar of C, heart. I one bar of F, sing a secret song to you each. Half a bar of A flat, nights we are a. Half a bar of G, part. Let's play verse 1 smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Remember me. Half a bar coming up. Though I have to say goodbye. For bar of C, remember me. 2, 3. Half a bar B flat E. Don't let it make you cry. A minor. For even if I'm far away, half I hold you in my heart. F, I sing a secret song to you each half the night apart. Let's go verse 2 slowly. Remember, one bar of C, me. Though I half a bar of F minor, have to travel. Half a bar of G, far. Remember, one bar of C, me. Each time you half a bar of B flat, hear a sad git. Half a bar of C, ta. One bar of F, know that I'm with you the only. Half a bar of E minor, way that I can. Half a bar of A minor, B. One bar of A flat major, until you're in my arms. One bar of G, game. Remember, one bar of C, me. Okay, so let's try verse 2 smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Remember me. Though I have to travel far, remember me. Half bar B flat and C. Each time you hear a sad guitar. One bar of F. Know that I'm with you the only way that I can be. A flat, until you're in my arms again. Back to C. Remember me. Right and right, and on both. And this marks the end of our tutorial. Great work today! Now every time you practice, you are getting better and more confident at the piano. If you would like the extra support, I've prepared resources like chord sheets, diagrams on my Patreon page to guide your learning further. My next video will be a practice track for this song, so be sure to check that out and practice together with me. And if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe and share so you won't miss what's coming next. Now keep learning, have fun. In the meantime, I'll see you in the next video. Hi there, thanks for watching. Hope this tutorial added value to your music journey. Now put what you have learned into practice with our practice jamming track video link above. If you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe for more music tutorials. We'll see you in the next video and we'll continue to make music and learn together.